Hi folks, let's dive into a riveting story that's shaking the political landscape. Recently, controversy erupted when Tshabangu accused Sikhala of betraying their country. Now, what was Sikhala's crime? He exposed alleged corruption and human rights violations by the ZANU-PF party at a conference in Geneva. The backlash was immediate. Tshabangu claimed this exposé painted their nation in a negative light on the international stage, sparking a fierce debate back home. But here's the twist. Is calling out corruption truly a betrayal, or is it a bold move towards transparency and justice? This isn't just a tale of political rivalry, it's a reflection of a deeper struggle within nations grappling with corruption. The question stands: should the dirty laundry be aired internationally, or handled quietly at home? Now imagine the pressure on Sikhala. Accused of betrayal, yet arguably, he was standing up for the very essence of democracy and accountability. It's a scenario that tugs at the strings of justice and patriotism, intertwining them in a complex dance. So what do you think? Was Sikhala's action a necessary step for change, or a misstep that could cost more than anticipated? The lines are drawn, and the debate is heated. Let's keep an eye on how this unfolds. Stick around for more insights and updates. Thanks for tuning in.